Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you're wondering how to use or how to apply SheaMoisture Face and Body Bar for oily, blemish-prone, acne-type skin. This stuff is really popular, really highly rated and really useful for that type of skin, and it's really easy to use. All we're going to do is get some, cool to warm water running, and then using our hands, we're going to work this bar of soap into a nice thick lather. And then once you get that lather nice and thick in your hands, you can go ahead and put the soap down, and you're just going to take your lathered up hands and you're going to kind of massage your face in circular motions. Whatever skin you want to clean with it, just kind of massage it slowly and deeply, not just wiping but rubbing it in a massagey format into your skin. And then once you've done that for 30 seconds to a minute, then you can just go ahead and rinse your skin abundantly with water, and you're done. It's as simple as that. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.